Okay, Google, turn on the light.
Okay, turning on MILED light bulb colors.
Cool. Put green color.
Okay, changing MILED light
Holy
bulb colors.
Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liakura's Moments, and on this video we're going to talk about the Xiaomi Mi LED Smart Bulb. I actually showed you this bulb on the previous video where we talk about the lighting, but let's see this bulb in details, what we can do, how to set it up and everything on this video. So on the front of the box you can see, except the ugly sticker with the price that tells us it costs 30 euro here in Cyprus, you can see that this bulb can work with Google Assistant, something that I tried out just before and it was working actually pretty good. It can work with Apple HomeKit and also with Alexa. The bulb uses Wi-Fi to connect straight to your smartphone. It has a voice control, as we said, that you can connect with Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit and Alexa. It has adjustable brightness from 80 to 800 lumens, adjustable color temperature from 1700 up to 6500 Kelvin. You can schedule on-off, when to turn it on and when to turn it off, and a smart app control. The bulb's lifetime is 25,000 hours, so let me do the maths here. So yeah, that is 1041 and a half days, so which is around 3 years, right? So if you let the bulb open for 3 years, then you're gonna destroy it. Then it's gonna burn. Then it's the lifetime, so it's over. And the on-off cycles of the bulb is 12,500. So that means if you open and close the bulbs once a day, it will last you around 34 years and something. 34 years and you open it every day once a day, I think it's a lot, right? I think we're focusing here on things that doesn't matter too much, so let me show you how you can download the application and use it with your smartphone. There is also a barcode here on the box that you can scan it and find the application on Play Store. And let's jump to the phone so I can show you how you can find the application, set it up correctly and how to use it. Alright, let's find the app in the Google Play Store. Just type Mi Home and this is the one. Click install. After the installation, click the app to open, agree on terms and conditions, agree the user experience improvement program, select your country and add a shortcut for the app. And here select all and click next. Just accept everything will make it much easier, as if you block something, it may not find your device. I did the setup several times and every time it took me a little bit long time to set it up because I didn't accept everything. So I hope this video helped you. Okay, so here you can sign in if you have an account already or create a new one. I have an account, so I will sign in. The application will remember if you had any devices from before, so you can access them, like I have here the smart bulb. So I will delete it just to show you how to set it up from the beginning. A big mistake I would say, as again it took me like 30 minutes to figure out how to set it up, because the mistake that I did, I think, was that I didn't allow to access my location. So when it asks you about the permissions, just allow the location so you don't have a problem. Okay, so let's continue. So to add a new device, click on the plus button on the top right, turn on your Bluetooth. If you didn't give location permission before, it will ask you again here. So click to set now. Turn on location, and here I should go to app permission, but I went back and lost time trying to set up the device. So on the location, click on the app permission and find Xiaomi Home. And make sure it is on. Allow only while using the app. You need to select that. After, you can find the device manually on the lighting, but the application find it already and I had a notification on the top. Click on it and I had to connect my router again with the password. Agree and click next. It will connect to the device, so just follow the procedure, click connect and after it finishes. So click done. You can name the room and also change the name of the device. Click let's get started, it will load and we connect our smart bulb to our smartphone. Agree with user agreement and privacy policy and we're done. Now you can control the bulb from your phone and you can turn it on or off. You can increase the brightness scrolling up and decrease it scrolling down. Going left or right on white color, you will change the color temperature of the white. Next mode is the color, where you can pick up any color you want by going left or right, and again scrolling up and down you will change the brightness. Next mode is the flow, and will change automatically colors, and you can edit how fast or slower it will flow between the colors. And last is the favorites, where you can save some colors that you are using a lot, and also the recommended one are some other nice themed colors like the movie here, the birthday. If you have a romantic date, you can put the romance, or even the flash notification. After, on the top right, there are 3 dots. This will take you to the settings, and there you can automate the bulb to turn off later at specific time, or schedule it to open at specific time in the future. And last, you can use the device with voice control. As we said, it works with Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit and Alexa. I tried Google Assistant and it was great. You just need to download the Google Home application and connect it to Mi Home. And now you can control it with Google Home voice control. Turn on the lights. Alright guys, let me know what you think about the Xiaomi LED smart bulb in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, write it down as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time, let's make moments we can never